Hostile infantry spotted. Over.
Reload the weapon, press your reload key.
I need a medic here! Got it. Thanks, champ. Enemy troops!
Click a squad in the squad list to select the squad leader you would like to send orders to.
UAV online and transmitting.
Hostiles on the ground.
Let's move. Artillery strike denied. Mission currently underway.
Let's move.
The scan button at the top left of the main map will start a satellite scan. All enemies will be displayed on the map during the scan.
Sorry, man.
The UAV button will place a UAV drone at the point you designate on the map. It will reveal enemy movements in the area. The artillery button will allow you to launch an artillery strike at the point you select on the map.
Request denied.
Sorry, man.
The supplies button drops a supply crate which will heal, repair, and rearm nearby soldiers and vehicles. Press the right mouse button over a squad in the squad list to send radio messages.